Okay, SLK350 Mercedes-Benz auto trans service. When you've got no dipstick tube or no fill plug, your fill is actually in here. So what we've done is we've undone this, let it drain down, and then there's just, if you stick a pin punch up there, you'll feel another little ledge, and you just knock that out, and then that will drain the rest of the fluid. Now we can take the pan off. Okay, also in the torque converter, if you just turn that round, there's a little drain plug in there, so you can with an Allen key just drain the torque converter as well. So we'll do that, pan off, and then do our gasket and filter, and then we'll fill it up. Okay, so this is a little plastic tube that when we got our punch, we just caught the edge of it in there to knock it off, so that this becomes the drain, and then that just floats in your sump till you pull your sump off, and then you just clip it back on, and that is now your fill level. Okay, and the filter just pulls out. Push the new one in, make sure your O-ring is all in place. Just watch the magnet can stick to the filter, so you're going to want that back in your sump once the sump is all cleaned, of course. And we're just going to replace this rubber gasket as well. And that's our torque converter, still just draining away there. Okay, so we have put our plug back in our torque converter. We have put all our sump back on, don't forget the magnet. We've got the fitting now to force feed this back up the tube. Just an idea how much fluid a torque converter holds. That is quite a lot in there, so it's important to drain that too if you can't flush it. Our flushing machine won't connect to this vehicle, don't have the right fitting, so we're draining that instead. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go 4 litres in, run it, so it fills the torque converter back up, then we'll turn it off, we'll put a couple more litres in, and then basically we will drive it, get it warm, and then do this again and let it run down to the correct level. Okay, so we're just using this pressure bottle to feed up into there, so you need a fitting that is going to screw into that sump there to be able to fill this up, and because it's pressurized it'll force it up basically. Okay, so I found in this one we actually have to put 8 litres in. What you want to do is have it overfilled so that it's running out, and then put your plug back in, drive it, and then we'll pull that back out and let it come back down to the right level. But I needed 8 litres to get it to run out of that hole on this one.
Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYers at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.